Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have two incredible robot vacuums that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, and in the other corner, we have the robot vacuum. Let's dive in and compare these two products in various categories to see which one comes out on top. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is priced at $869. While the robot vacuum comes in at $699, it's clear that the robot vacuum is the more affordable option here, saving you some extra bucks. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus features the Auto Empty Dock Pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleanup, storing up to 7 weeks of debris. On the other hand, the robot vacuum doesn't offer this feature, so if you're looking for a truly hands-free cleaning experience, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus takes the lead in this category. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, which easily lifts debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. Meanwhile, the robot vacuum offers a decent 1,400 pascals suction power. If you have pets or need deep cleaning, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus with its superior suction power is the way to go. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, offering a twin cleaning power. It even has 30 water flow levels to match your floor types and preferences. On the other hand, the robot vacuum also has a mopping function but lacks the customizable water flow levels. If you're looking for more versatility in cleaning, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is the winner in this category. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus utilizes PreciSense litter navigation, which creates precise maps of your home, tracks cleaning routes, and even allows you to view your home in 3D. The robot vacuum, while it has obstacle avoidance, doesn't offer the same level of advanced navigation. If you want smarter cleaning and mapping capabilities, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is the clear winner here. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a supersized battery that powers the robot for up to 180 minutes of runtime, covering a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. The robot vacuum, with its 2,500 mAh battery, can work for 100 minutes in a 1290 SQFT house. If you have a larger home or require longer cleaning sessions, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is the better choice. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has received positive feedback for its improved pathfinding, powerful suction, and ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. Reviewers also praise its long battery life and advanced navigation capabilities. On the other hand, the robot vacuum is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness in cleaning. However, some reviewers mention connectivity issues and limitations in the mopping function. And there you have it. We've compared the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the robot vacuum in various categories. While the robot vacuum offers affordability and decent features, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus shines in terms of hands-free cleaning, suction power, vacuum and mop functionality, navigation, and battery life. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information on these products. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.